Welcome to Surrett Battery Company Limited, established in 1935. We're proud to be one of North America's leading lead-acid battery producers and Canada's only remaining independent battery manufacturer. Since 1959, the company has been located in Spring Hill, Nova Scotia, Canada, internationally recognized for our dependability, cycle life, and outstanding quality. We produce a wide range of Rolls-branded premium deep cycle batteries for use in renewable energy, marine, motive power, and railroad applications. Better yet, let's show you how our unique brand of batteries come to life. The production journey begins here at Casting Department, where Rolls have 5 casting machines. Then we move into the oxide department, which was fully upgraded and automated in 2006. Next, it's time for the pasting department, which was a new expansion in 2010. Tolerance is controlled by a laser gauge, and plates are removed with a robotic picker. From here, production is divided between 2 lines: industrial for large format solar, motive power and rail, and monoblock for solar and FS series. Following the industrial line, plates are processed in enveloping. Then to the industrial COS, which robotically welds and drops all groups before they are heat sealed. Now we find ourselves at the MFRT formation department, most recently upgraded in 2019, where all cells are high-rate formed via recirculatory formation. And now we roll into the industrial assembly department, where cells are processed into rail and large format solar before heading to shipping. Now it's ready for the dynamic and all-new monoblock assembly line, which was installed in February 2021 and dramatically increases the output of this line. Nearing completion, they now go through our automated water bath formation department. Finally, they're ready for shipping and en route to our loyal customers in over 40 countries around the world. Thank you for taking the time to see the care and craft that goes into each and every Surrett battery product. Our customers expect a lot, and that's what we give them.